Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chapter 1, Introduction of Operating System. Okay, so we look at the Chapter 1 outline. So in this chapter, we are going to discuss two topics, which are what OS do and OS operations. Okay, so the rest of the topics you can read by yourself. Okay. So now we look at the objective of this chapter. Right, so since we discussed only two topics in this chapter, okay, we only wanted to achieve one objective, okay, which is at the end of the chapter. Okay, a student must be able to illustrate the transitions from user mode to kernel mode. So this is we will achieve this objective from topic OS operations. Okay. So we start topic 1.1. Okay, with four components of computer system. Okay, so if we map these four components of computer system into a figure, so we look at the next slide. Okay, so we have basically in computer system we have four components. Okay, we have user. So user can be a people or computer or computers. Him. Then we have software. Okay, it can be application program or system program. Okay, and then we have OS. Okay, where it acts intermediary between software and also computer hardware. Okay, so this is the four components of computer system. Right. So actually, what OS do? Okay. So it depends on the two point of views. Okay. First, when we when we look from user's view, okay, so the goal of user, okay, when they use computer system, they want computer system to maximize their they wanted the computer system to maximize the task that they are performing. Thus, they want OS, okay, to provide convenience environment. Okay, and then OS must ease of use and must be in a good performance. Okay, they don't care about resource utilization. Why? Because for users' view, okay, user of dedicated systems such as workstation have dedicated resources. Okay, so that's why they don't care much about resource utilizations. Okay. However, for shared computers, okay, for example, in a client server environment or peer-to-peer computings, okay, the operating system is a resource allocator or resource manager. Okay, because for shared computer, they must keep all users happy. Okay, so to manage the various requests from various user, okay, operating system must making efficient use of hardware. Okay, right. In another point of view, for user program, okay, operating system is a control program. Okay, so to manage various user program. Okay, so operating system must managing execution of user program because to prevent errors and improper use of the computer. Yeah. Okay. Now we look at another point. So for mobile devices, okay, they are resource poor. Okay, operating system is optimized for usability and battery life. Okay. Then for another type of operating system that lies in um, embedded computer. Okay, they have little or no use of interface. Okay, right. So from this discussion, okay, we can see that OS cover many roles. Okay, so uh, we can see that OS present in toaster. Okay, so this is when for embedded operating system. Okay, and then OS also present in ship, spacecraft, okay, game machines. Okay, uh, a little bit history about OS. Okay, it was born when fake use computer for military become more general purpose, and we need and the computer needed resource management and program control. Yeah. Okay. So there is no universally accepted definition for OS. Okay. We can define OS as a resource allocator or resource manager or control program. Okay. So this is kind of joke, okay, because there is no universally accepted definition. So some people they say that everything a manufacturer ship when you order an operating system is a good approximation to define what is operating system. Okay. Okay, in operating system, we have one part which is known as kernel. Okay, so kernel is one program that running at all times on the computer. Okay, so we will elaborate more on kernel in the next video. Okay, when we talk about actually OS is software, okay, that manage computer hardware. Okay, so when we talk about software, we can divide it into system program or application program. Okay, so for system program, it ship with operating system. Okay, uh, we have three types of system program, which are utilities, device drivers, and language translator. Okay, so for application program, this is all program that is not associated with the operating system. Yeah. Okay. So for uh, today OS for general purpose and mobile computing. Okay, so this point, we want to emphasize on mobile operating system. So for mobile operating system, it include middleware. So what is middleware? It is a set of software that provide addition services to application developers. Okay, for example, databases, multimedia and graphics. Okay, for mobile devices. Okay. Alright, so that's all for topic 1.1, okay, or as definition. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.